Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the integration by substitution methods. Now for this here integration of f dash x fx to the power n dx. Now let us suppose that fx equal to t, then differentiating with respect to t here, f dash x dx equal to dt. Now putting this in this case fx equal to t, so that integration of f dash x dx equal to dt and fx equal to t, so that t के power n and f dash x dx equal to dt. As we know that integration of x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus integrating constant c here. Now with the help of this is t के power n plus 1 divided by t के power n divided by n plus 1 here, n plus 1 plus integrating constant c, putting the value of t here, t is fx, so that this is equal to fx to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is the integration of these functions. Now we take another example here. Second, integration of f dash x divided by fx to the power n dx. In this case also putting that fx equal to t, so that integrating this with respect to t, differentiating this with respect to t here, f dash x dx equal to dt. Now this can be written as integration of f dash x dx equal to dt divided by fx equal to t 1 by t dt. This can be written as here integration of t के power minus n dt. Now this is equal to t के power integration of this t के power minus n plus 1 divided by minus n plus 1 plus integrating constant c, so that this is equal to t के power 1 minus n divided by 1 minus n plus c. This is integration of these functions. Now we take some example here. Now here question number 1, integration of sin ax plus b dx. Solution: integration of sin ax plus b dx, putting ax plus b equal to t, so that differentiating it with respect to t here, a dx differentiating it with respect to a dx equal to dt, so that dx equal to dt by a. Now putting this in this case, integration of sin ax plus b equal to t, so that this is sin t, and dx equal to dt, dx equal to dt by 2, dt by a here. Now integration of sin t dt, sin t equal to minus cos t, so that 1 by a minus cos t, and this is equal to minus cos t equal to ax plus b divided by a plus c. This is integration of sin ax plus b dx, and sin x का minus cos x, so that sin ax plus b and cos a minus cos ax plus b, and this constant come here and plus c is the integrating constant. Now question number 2 here, integration of a square plus 1 by a square plus x square dx. In this case, putting x equal to at, putting x equal to at. Now show that dx equal to a dt, dx equal to a dt. In this case, now putting in this case integration of 1 by a square plus x equal to a t, and a square t square plus a square t square, and dx equal to a dt. Now in this case, a by we take integration of, we take a square common here, 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square, and dt and dt. Now a square, a is cancelled here, 1 by a, and integration of 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Integration of, as we know that integration of 1 by x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse x, so that this is equal to tan inverse x divided by 1 by a here. So putting the value of x with the help of x, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dt, that is equal to t tan inverse t, and with the help of this t is equal to x by a, so that 1 by a tan inverse t x by a here plus c. This is integration of 1 by 1 plus a square plus x square. Now Now here, question number third, integration of dx 1 by under root a square minus x square, here 1 by under root a square minus x square dx. Now we substitute in this case such type that, as you know that sin inverse x equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square, cos inverse x equal to cos inverse x, differentiation of cos inverse x, that is equal to minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square, tan inverse x, differentiation of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. With respect to this, we assume here, now in this case, a square minus x square, if you putting x equal to at, putting x equal to at, dx equal to a dt, and integration of 1 by a square, x equal to a square t square, and dx equal to a dt. Now we take the common a square and comes out from the under root only a cancel, so that integration of 1 by 1 minus t square dt, as we know that differentiation of sin square x equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square, so that integration of this 1 by under root 1 minus t square, integration of this is equal to sin inverse t here, sin inverse t here, and now putting the value of t equal to x by a, and see the integrating constant here. Now question number 4, integration of 1 by x under root x square minus a square dx. In this case, also putting x equal to at, dx equal to a dt, and here 1 by x equal to at under root a square t square minus a square dx equal to a dt. Now in this case, a and a cancel, and a comes in this case out a square, so that here only a 1 by a t under root t square minus 1 dt. A is a constant, 1 by a, and 1 by t under root t square minus 1. This is integration of this is equal to t sec t, so that 1 by a sec inverse t, and putting the value of t equal to x by a here, t equal to x by a, 1 by a here, and see the integrating constant. Now question number 5, integration of x plus 2 के power 3 dx, putting this x plus 2 is equal to t, dx is equal to dt, and x plus 2 is equal to t के power 3, dx is equal to dt, and I will know that integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. In the similar things, here t के power 3 plus 1 and t के power 4 divided by 4 plus c is the integrating constant. Putting the value of t equal to x plus 2 के power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Now we take next problem 6 here. Now here question number 6, solution. Question number 6 here, integration of ax plus b के power 4 here and dx. Now putting ax plus b equal to, putting ax plus b equal to t, so that differentiating this a dx equal to dt. Now here integration of ax plus b equal to t के power 4 and dx equal to, in this case dx equal to dt by a here, so that dx equal to dt by a here. Now as we know that integration of x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. In the similar things, a is a constant, come here 1 by a, and t के power 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1. Now 1 by a, t equal to ax plus b to the power 4 divided by 4 1 5 divided by 5 plus c. This is the integration of this 1 by ax plus b to the power 5 divided by 5 here. Now question number 7. Here integration of 1 by a minus bx to the power 4 dx. As we know that here putting a minus bx equal to t, so that minus b dx equal to dt. It means that dx equal to minus 1 by b dt. B comes here 1 by b dt. Now putting in this case integration of 1 by a minus bx के power t, so that 1 by t के power 4 and dx equal to minus 1 by b dt, so that this is equal to minus 1 by b. Integration of t comes here, t के power minus 4 dt. Now integrating of this here, minus 1 by b and t के power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1. This is equal to, this is a minus 3 minus minus plus, so that 1 by 3b and t के power minus 3 as we written as 1 by 3b t equal to a minus bx के power a minus bx के power minus 3 plus c. This is the integration of this. Now we take another problem here. Now question number 8 here. Integration of under root x plus 2 dx. Now putting x plus 2 equal to t, so that dx equal to dt. Now integration of x plus 2 is equal to t के power half and dx equal to dt. Integration of this is equal to t के power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 and this is equal to t के power 2 under 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, so that this is equal to t equal to x plus 2 के power 3 by 2 and this is equal to 2 by 3 plus integrating constant c here. Now question number 9. Under integration of under root ax plus b dx, putting ax plus b equal to t, a dx equal to dt, so that dx equal to dt by a. Now here ax plus b equal to t के power half into dx equal to dt by a comes here 1 by a and integration of this is t के power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1. This is equal to 1 by a and t equal to ax plus b के power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. This is equal to 2 by 3 ax plus b के power 3 by 2 plus integrating constant c here. Now like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.